Today we're going to be talking about mortgage leads and how you can generate a consistent flow of leads for your mortgage business every single day. Now, I know primarily our audience is real estate professionals. However, I always have LOs, mortgage brokers reaching out to me and say, hey, do you have any templates for mortgage brokers for mortgage, right? And so what I want to do is share with you guys the templates and show you guys how simple this is to set up so you can start generating a consistent flow of leads for your mortgage business. And if you guys want this exact template plus several other mortgage lead templates that I have for you, just go ahead and comment mortgage leads down below this video. Give it a thumbs up and I will be able to share those templates with you, as well as have a member of our team set this whole thing up for you if you'd like to. So this is one of our templates that we have, and you can see we've got on this page. We got several other templates as well, but this one's for down payment assistance. Okay, now the way we go through and generate a lead is we want to get some type of ad in front of people in our local area, right? So the best way to do that I've found for the best costs, the best conversions, the lowest cost per acquisition of a new client is through Facebook or Instagram ads. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get up a Facebook or Instagram ad, which I'll show you here in just a second. And then when someone in your local area sees that ad and it piques their interest, they're going to click on it and go to what is called a landing page. Okay, and the whole point of a landing page is to basically get someone to opt in, put in their name, phone, and email. And from there, we can follow up via email, we can follow up via text, we can follow up via Facebook Messenger bots. And then obviously the best way to follow up is actually picking up the phone and giving them a call. So right here, you can see right here, we've got the page headline, we got the sub headline, the button text, we've got everything that you could possibly need to set this whole thing up. Okay, and then over here, I give you the daily budget of what you should be spending on Facebook and Instagram, the target city, and as well as your Facebook ad description, title, messages, everything here. Okay, so let me just show you guys how simple this is to go through and set up. So we're going to come over here to the Arsenal MKG lead generation software. Now, this is what we've used to go through and simplify the whole marketing lead generation process for real estate agents, as well as real estate investors, mortgage brokers. And so this is the dashboard right here. And you can see we've got some pre-built basic campaigns to go through and get started. Okay, now what we're going to do for this example, we're just going to click on create a custom ad. And it's going to walk us through a very simple step-by-step process. So for this campaign name, this is just for your reference. So we're just going to say down payment assistance. Okay, now guys, check this out. See how easy we've made this for you. So this page headline, look over here. These lead templates right here, we've got the page headline. All you got to do is copy, come over here and paste it in. Okay, so find down payment assistance in, obviously you put your state. So I'm going to put Arizona. Sub headline, once again, we got this right here. Literally all you do is copy and paste. I mean, are you seeing how easy this is to go through and set up for your business? You don't have to have any technical skills, any prior experience with any of these Facebook ads or lead generation. We have automated and simplified the whole game for you. Now, as far as the image, I'm just going to go through, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag this image to my desktop, and so I can just throw this in here. So let's see what this image is called. Shutterstock. Boom, and we just hit open. We've got all the information. Now what we're gonna do is click next. Okay, and the cool thing about this is after the person that visits your site opts in and becomes the leads, they put in their name, phone number, and email address. So we have them as a contact in our database. We also have a mobile app that you'll get an instant lead notification, so you can call that person right away. Well, we can then direct them wherever we want to send them. So if we want to send them to our Facebook page, the cool thing about this software is it automatically pulls your Facebook page URL. You can say I want to send them to my website. I want to actually go through a book appointment with them. It'll send them to an automated booking, calendaring booking, appointment scheduling page. They can go through and set up an appointment with you. A buyer Facebook Messenger bot, seller Facebook Messenger bot, or any of the above. Okay, so custom URL. So for this one, we'll just say we want to do a book an appointment. Okay, and then we just hit next. And then this is where we set up the actual ad targeting, our budget, the ad copy, everything. But once again, we've got all of this over here for you. So we've got the daily budget, $10 per day minimum. So I'm going to come over here, daily budget, $10. We've already got that set up for you. Okay, then this is a simple, just like make sure you understand that you are the one paying for the Facebook advertising budget, not us. But we don't take any cut. This goes just directly to Facebook. We integrate with their Facebook ads platform. And then we're going to run it continuously starting today. And then we're just going to enter in our target city. So let's just say we are in Phoenix, Arizona. We'll throw that in right there. And then check this out, guys, the ad creative. You might be thinking, well, what do I actually put on the ad to get someone to click on it to opt in on the landing page? Well, we have taken care of all that for you as well. So we've got right here the description. We just go and select all this, literally copy and paste it in right there, and you can see how it's being automatically pre-built for you right here on the right hand side. Okay, now you just want to make sure you read through it, because some of our templates, they might have some like type of brackets like we did on that earlier on the landing page, where you might have to go through an update and fill it in, but it looks like we don't have anything on this ad template right here. And so now we're just going to come over here, find down payment assistance, copy that, paste it in right here. And then this is just like what I was saying. Sometimes there are things that we want to go through and update, make sure it's customized to you and your business. And then the last part, the message here, is we're just going to copy that, paste it here, and we have gone through and set up this whole ad A to Z. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to click launch. And the cool thing about this is it's going to take 5 to 10 seconds, but we are creating the Facebook ad, the Instagram ad, the Facebook tracking, the custom conversions. We're creating the landing page and all of the follow-ups for you. So it's going to automatically direct people to go through and book an appointment for you on complete autopilot. Okay, guys, we have simplified this so much for you. So if you are a mortgage broker or you know loan officer and you're wanting to go through and generate leads for your business, this is the simplest way to go through and make this all happen. And once these come in, like I said, you'll get a notification on your mobile phone, and when a lead responds to one of the automated follow-up text messages, you'll also be able to two-way text on your mobile phone, or we have this handy dandy inbox right here that you'll be able to connect and follow up with all of your leads as well. Okay, so right here, let me just show you a quick example of how this whole lead campaign works right here. So once this pops up, it's taking a second. Looks like my internet is a little bit slow. We'll click on down payment assistance. So this will pull up the landing page. Okay, so find down payment assistance in Arizona. Everything we just talked about, everything we just copy and paste over to the landing page. We got the background image here. We come over here, click get down payment. Okay, so now we're just gonna go through, put in our information. Boom, we hit submit. And at this point, the lead becomes a lead in your database. We also integrate with pretty much every CRM out there because we integrate with Zapier. And so that it's really easy to direct your leads wherever you want to send them. You'll get an instant lead notification. And then if we click right here on this landing page, or on this thank you page, sorry, it'll send us to book an appointment with you and your business. I mean, how cool is that, right? So like they can come over here, say maybe tomorrow at 10 a.m. and all of these will sync with your Google Calendar. So if you're wondering like, oh, well, how will we know like what days of the week, what time of day that I'm actually available, syncs with your Google Calendar. Once somebody comes in here and books, it automatically syncs with your calendar as well. And so it's all taken care of for you on complete autopilot. Anyway, so I hope this was helpful for you guys as far as getting mortgage leads for your business. It's great to partner up with realtors. Realtors is great to partner up with lenders, because really you guys work together. There's the same lead that's looking to buy a home is going to be a great lead for a realtor as well as for a loan officer. So anyway, if you guys want these mortgage templates just like I'm showing you right here, drop a comment down below. Just type mortgage leads in the comment section, and I'll be able to share with you where you guys can go through and get those templates, as well as have a member of our team get this first lead campaign completely set up for you guys if you would like us to do that. So type mortgage leads down in the comment, give this video a thumbs up. And with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you know of anyone else that might find value in this, go ahead, share it with them. I would greatly appreciate that. And with that said, I will talk to you guys all later.